news coming in on stocks now, and the first stock is TVS Motor, which is an excellent play for the festive season, historical data suggests. But how is the demand environment for TVS Motors going forward? Well, my colleague Ashesha is here with all those details. Over to you, Ashesha.
Well, yes, historical evidence suggests that a strong seasonality factor plays out for TVS Motors in the months of September and October. So we tried to analyze the return data for the last 12 years, and we found out that only in 1 out of the last 12 years, TVS Motors has reported negative returns in the month of September. An average return for the month of September in the last 12 years stood at about 10.1%. Also note that a strong September was followed by a strong October. So average return in the last 12 years in the month of October stood at about 11.2%, and only in 3 out of the last 12 years TVS Motors has registered a negative return, which means it is a strong play on the festive season. And remember, this year festive season is 3 weeks longer than usual, so Diwali is in mid-November instead of mid-October, and hence that could also be a short-term catalyst for the stock, at least in the near term. Now remember, companies TVS X, which is an electric vehicle scooter, was launched recently, and analysts expect this particular play to be a short-term catalyst for the stock. As far as the export demand environment is concerned, it was sluggish over the last few quarters, but the demand environment is improving, and in fact we are seeing some improvement in this quarter as well, in the second quarter of FY24. As far as the ICE scooter segment is concerned, company has been registering good market share gains. Their electric two-wheeler segment is also showing robust growth, and the company has a strong pipeline of electric two-wheeler launches in the coming couple of months. So these are some of the positive triggers for the stock. So yes, historical evidence suggests that there's a strong seasonality factor that plays out on the stock in the month of September and October. Let's see how it pans out this year.